is a channel cycle of khb41 corpus.
B. Ruffario, San Patricio, Aransas, Jim Wells, New Oasis, and Clayburgh. The current time is 9:41 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Here are the 9 a.m. South Texas weather observations. At Corpus Christi, partly sunny. Temperature 74 degrees, dew point 69, and the relative humidity 85%. Wind southeast at 16 miles an hour. The pressure 29.94 inches and rising. Across the area, Navy Corpus Christi, partly sunny. Temperature 76 degrees. Kingsville, sunny. Temperature 74 degrees. Alice, cloudy. Temperature 69 degrees. Brownsville, cloudy. 77 degrees. Laredo, cloudy. Temperature 73 degrees. San Antonio, cloudy. Temperature 67 degrees. Victoria, sunny. Temperature 71 degrees. At Port Aransas, wind southeast at 70 knots. Seawater temperature 71 degrees. At the buoy 90 nautical miles east of Port Aransas, southeast winds at 70 knots. Seawater temperature was 75 degrees. Waves are 5 feet, with a period of 5 seconds. At buoy 42,020, winds were southeast, at 14 knots. Air temperature 73 degrees. Wave height 5 feet. Wave period 6 seconds. Here is the 9 a.m. Marine Roundup for the Coastal Bend. The following data, provided by the Conrad Blucher Institute for Surveying and Science, are raw and unverified. At New Oasis Bay near the mouth of the New Oasis River, the water temperature was 71 degrees. Winds were out of the southeast at 14 knots, with gusts as high as 15 knots. The water level was 0.15 feet above mean sea level. At Bob Hall Pier, the air temperature was 73 degrees. The water temperature was 72 degrees. Winds were out of the southeast at 15 knots, with gusts as high as 18 knots. The water level was 0.32 feet below mean sea level. At Rockport, the air temperature was 72 degrees. The water temperature was 72 degrees. Winds were out of the south at 16 knots, with gusts as high as 19 knots. The water level was 0.07 feet above mean sea level. The Corpus Christi climate summary for yesterday, April 8, 2017. Yesterday's high temperature was 84 degrees. The normal high is 81. The record high is 99 degrees, which was set in 1989. Yesterday's low temperature was 65. The normal low is 61. The record low is 39 degrees, which was set in 2007. No precipitation fell yesterday, which leaves the monthly total at a trace. The total precipitation for the year still stands at 7.83 inches. Sunrise today is at 7:11 a.m. and sunset is at 7:52 p.m. The forecast for the Corpus Christi area. Today, mostly cloudy. Breezy. Highs in the mid-80s inland, around 80 coast. South winds 10 to 20 miles an hour, increasing to southeast 15 to 25 miles an hour in the afternoon. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 70s. Southeast winds 15 to 25 miles an hour, decreasing to 10 to 15 miles an hour after midnight. Monday, mostly cloudy with a slight chance of showers. A slight chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-80s inland, around 80 coast. Southeast winds 10 to 20 miles an hour, becoming 15 to 20 miles an hour in the afternoon. Chance of precipitation 20%. Port Aransas jetty tides. Today, low at 9:05 a.m., high at 3:11 p.m., low at 9:03 p.m. Monday, high at 3:39 a.m., low at 9:58 a.m., high at 3:18 p.m., low at 9:29 p.m. Seawater temperature at Port Aransas is 72 degrees. Port O'Connor tides. Today, high at 6 a.m., low at 11:58 a.m., high at 6:17 p.m., low at 11:33 p.m. Monday, high at 7:46 a.m., low at 12:31 p.m., high at 4:48 p.m. Seawater temperature at Port Lavaca is 73 degrees. Here is the synopsis for the Middle Texas coastal waters. Moderate to occasionally strong onshore flow will continue today and Monday with seas gradually building. A chance for showers and thunderstorms will exist by Monday night and continue Tuesday ahead of an approaching frontal boundary. The weak frontal boundary will impact the area on Wednesday, providing for a continued chance for showers and thunderstorms. Slightly drier air will move into South Texas on Thursday, diminishing the chances for convection. The marine forecast for the bay waters from Baffin Bay to Port Aransas. Small craft should exercise caution. Rest of today, south wind at 10 to 15 knots becoming southeast 15 to 20 knots in the late morning and afternoon. Bays choppy. Tonight, southeast wind 15 to 20 knots. Bays choppy. Monday, southeast wind 15 to 20 knots. Bays choppy. Monday night, southeast wind 15 to 20 knots decreasing to 10 to 15 knots after midnight. Bays choppy. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. The marine forecast for the bay waters from Port Aransas to Port O'Connor. Small craft should exercise caution. Rest of today, southeast wind 15 to 20 knots. Bays choppy. Tonight, southeast wind 15 to 20 knots. Bays choppy. Monday, southeast wind 10 to 15 knots increasing to 15 to 20 knots in the afternoon. Bays choppy. Monday night, southeast wind 15 to 20 knots decreasing to 10 to 15 knots after midnight. Bays choppy. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. The marine forecast for the coastal waters out to 20 nautical miles from Baffin Bay to Matagorda Ship Channel. Small craft advisory in effect until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time this afternoon. Rest of today, southeast wind around 20 knots. Seas 4 to 5 feet with occasional seas up to 6 feet. Tonight, southeast wind 15 to 20 knots. Seas 4 to 6 feet with occasional seas up to 8 feet. Monday, southeast wind 15 to 20 knots. Seas 4 to 6 feet with occasional seas up to 8 feet. Monday night, southeast wind 15 to 20 knots. Seas 4 to 6 feet with occasional seas up to 8 feet. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. The marine forecast for the coastal waters from Baffin Bay to the Matagorda Ship Channel out to 60 nautical miles. Small craft advisory in effect until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time this afternoon. Rest of today, southeast wind around 20 knots. Seas 5 to 6 feet with occasional seas up to 8 feet. Tonight, southeast wind around 20 knots. Seas 5 to 6 feet with occasional seas up to 8 feet. Monday, southeast wind 15 to 20 knots. Seas 5 to 6 feet with occasional seas up to 8 feet. Monday night, southeast wind 15 to 20 knots. Seas 5 to 6 feet with occasional seas up to 8 feet. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. The small craft advisory is now in effect until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time this afternoon. Wind southeast around 20 knots with gusts to 25 knots. Waves seas building to 5 to 6 feet. A small craft advisory means that wind speeds of 20 to 33 knots and or seas of 7 feet or greater are expected to produce hazardous conditions to small craft. Inexperienced mariners, especially those operating smaller vessels, should avoid navigating in these conditions. Mariners should pay close attention to the marine forecast and consider wind and sea conditions in planning. The current time is 9:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Here are the 9 a.m. South Texas weather observations.
Alright, that was a channel cycle of NOAA Weather Radio, khb41, in Corpus Christi, Texas. Which is right here, Corpus Christi. So, that's it for now, and that's all.